Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle Baby. I'm Aditi and today I'm going to do an inspired makeup look from Priya Prakash Varrier, and she is the most cutest girl on the internet. Like, her videos are going so viral, and yeah, she is actually really cute. I really like her expressions. It's beautiful. I will be imitating both her hair and her makeup. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So yeah, for here I'm not taking any partition. I'm just kind of splitting my hair like that, and then I'm going to just backcomb it a little so there's a volume in my hair on both the side, of course. And I'm just taking a little bit of that backcombed hair and I'm going to twist it to back. Take it to the front, and then I'm going to split my hair into three. I'm going to do a normal 3-strand braid. मैंने आगे में थोड़ा सा बाल छोड़ दिया, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, because her hair was really messy in the video. So yes, I'm just pulling some more hair, and on this side also, to make it look a little messy. I'm losing the plaits. And yeah, so our hair is done. Now moving towards our makeup, I'm going to take this Pond's BB cream and I'm going to dot it over my face. I'm also taking down my neck so that my face and neck do not look like of different color, and I'm blending it all with my hands. Her makeup is very wearable. You can wear it to college, of course not to school because Indian schools are not like that. I don't know what they have shown, but yes, I'm just blending it all over. So yes, her base is done, and because her chin is a little bit exaggerated, like she has a very prominent chin here, so I'm going to imitate that, and for that I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso. Of course you need not do this. I'm just doing this to imitate her look, and I'm also contouring a little bit of my nose because her nose is also very prominent, not like mine. So yeah. Then I'm going to conceal my face, and for that I'm taking this Revolution the One concealer, and this is a very sheer coverage concealer. I'm just going to conceal my chin, a little bit of my nose, my eye area, and a little bit of my forehead. Then again I'm blending it with my hands because I'm not sitting with my brushes or sponges because I forgot, and we can do this with our hands, of course. So yes, I'm just using my hands and blending it all. And yeah, so once that is done, I'm going to take my Lakme compact. I'm going to just dust my face all over with this so that my concealer is all set, because this concealer moves a lot. Yeah, that is all for my face. Next I'm going to move towards my eyes, and for that I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I'm going to apply it on my waterline thickly. And you see I'm taking it down as well. And from the lower lashes I'm going to extend a wing. Then I'm going to bring that wing in, and I'm going to apply it as an eyeliner on my upper lash line. And then I will also be tight lining with the same kajal. Then I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to just smudge it, like not actually smudge it, but I'm just going to run it over so that my eyeliner does not look harsh. And yeah, so our eyes are done, and next I'm going to move towards my eyebrows. So I'm taking this APK 24-hour gel liner, and I'm going to just dip my brush in the brown color, and I'm going to do my eyebrows with that. I'm overfilling my eyebrows because her eyebrows are thick. Mine was thick, but then I did my eyebrows and it became thin. Like the parlor valley did that. So yeah, I'm just filling it thicker again. Eyebrows are the heart and soul of her look. So yeah, I am filling my eyebrows normally, horizontal strokes from the 1/3 till the end, and vertical strokes at the start of my brows. And yeah, then I'm just taking a clean spoolie and I'm going to run it across my brows to pick up any excess product. Next, I'm taking a blush, and this is by ADS, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheek. I'm not contouring my face, I'm just applying a little bit of the blush for a nice healthy flush of color. So finally, I'm going to apply some lipstick, and I'm going to apply the Streetwear Color Lips Ultra Moist Lipstick in the shade Crisp Caramel. So you see my lipstick is a bit creamy, but hers is more on a matte side. So I'm going to top this lipstick with my blush and make it matte. And I totally forgot to apply my mascara, so I'm applying this Lakme Iconic Mascara just for some color. I've just applied a tiny coat of mascara, and I have just applied it on the upper lashes and not on my lower lash line. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, so that was all for the makeup, and this is how the final look turned out. I hope I did justice to Priya's look, and it is a very simple and wearable look. You can carry it anywhere, like college, work, party, outing, shopping, like literally anywhere. And so now I will take a leave from you guys, and I will see you super soon. Bye, take care.